everyone, this is Myung. Today I'm going to make a new kimchi experiment. I've never had spring greens kimchi before, but we have similar soft vegetable kimchi in Korea. Therefore, I think the method will be the same. So now I'm going to make it to find out, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. Okie dokie, let's begin. This is a spring green. I'm going to make a spring green kimchi. These are seasonal at the moment, so this is very fresh and very sweet when you try this raw spring green. It's very sweet. Method is similar. So using apple, red pepper, onion, garlic, ginger and salt, and red pepper. I'm going to put that later. And I'm going to make rice flour mixture, but I'm not going to soak this that long because it's so soft compared to other cabbages like Savoy cabbages or Chinese cabbage. This is very soft, so don't need to soak it and then rinse. So I'm going to cut off that procedure. I'm going to chop this into bite size and then add some salt and mix it all and then leave it for half an hour and then mix with this sauce. That's it. That's simple. Okay, I will chopping first. So this stem, like a spine, is bit quite thick. So I will cut in the middle. Just divide them. This is bit thick, so just make it even with other leaf, so it will be easy to ferment. This is altogether 3 tablespoons sea salt. So I will add it little by little. Now add the salt. I wash the spring green and drain the water and chop them and now mix with the salt. So I will leave this for half an hour or 1 hour, depends on the process. Okay, meanwhile I'm making sauce. So making rice flour mixture. So 1 tablespoon brown rice flour. You can use all-purpose flour as well, and add 1 cup of water. So when it starts boiling, simmer for 1 or 2 minutes. That's it. Don't need to cook that long. This is watery now. Start boiling. So I reduce the heat. Green leaf has a kind of grassy taste, so flour mixture will get rid of the grassy taste. Looks like it's done. So I will cool it down. For the sauce, 4 cloves garlic, 3 to 4, 5 cloves garlic is up to you. Just roughly chopped. And ginger, little knob of ginger, again roughly chopped, and onion. It is very sweet, so I think it's 1 will be enough. And red pepper. Compared to apple, it is less sweet. I will add 2 tablespoons gochukaru, which is chili powder. Chili powder. This is Korean one. We call gochukaru. So gochu means chili and karu means powder, so gochukaru. So 1 table, 2 tablespoons. If you don't have this chili powder, you can use a fresh chili. Fresh chili is even better because it's fresh, but in Korea this chili wasn't able to get all year around, so we in autumn we dry them and grind them to use whole year around, so that's why we make it like this. But you can use fresh chili. This rice flour mixture is still hot, so I will wait for a while. So this is all cooled down, so I'm going to add with other stuff and then blend them. I'm adding teaspoon sea salt. This is slightly sweet because of the apple. This is slightly sweet. That's good. I don't use any sugar. So this has been over an hour and they are ready now. So I'm going to taste it's all done or not. Slightly salty. Seems it's ready. When I make normal kimchi with a cabbage, I leave this salt with cabbage longer and then rinse them because of it's a lot of salt I use. But this one is more like a salad style kimchi. It is kimchi. I'm going to ferment this kimchi, but I'm using less salt. So this method is combine making kimchi and sauerkraut. So when we make a sauerkraut, we don't soak it in the salted water, which they just put the salt and then just pampering. Spring green is really soft, so don't need do that process like a kimchi. Seems done. I will taste one more. You can make choiseom kimchi and bak choy kimchi like this as well. They are also soft green vegetables. Like it. It's full now, but better not to full up, otherwise will be when it starts fermenting, it will be bubbly. So this is spring green kimchi. Very green, isn't it? It has been fermented for a week and it should be nice and ripe now. So I'm going to taste it. Smells nice. Oh, slightly spicy. The texture is softer than cabbage kimchi, but taste is slightly earthier. It works well as a side plate with rice or noodle dishes, or it can be added to a burger, or you could find your own use. So give it a go and see how you get on. Hope you enjoy my recipe. Please make your own. Thanks for watching. Be healthy. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. See you next time. Bye.